Hello, guys, and welcome to the one and only AI Millionaire channel.
Welcome to the Millionaire channel. Welcome, baby.
Today's video is going to be a total game changer because we're diving into the world of LumenFive, one of the most amazing AI tools out there. I mean, it's going to make your content creation dreams come true. So the first thing you got to do is sign up for their free plan. Yup, it's that easy. Just put in your deets or use your Facebook account to sign up and boom, you're in. But trust me, their paid plan is totally worth it. With loads of awesome features like removing the watermark from your videos. Say what? You won't regret it. Now check this out. LumenFive has got a ton of pre-made templates you can choose from, so you can get the perfect style for the kind of video you want to make. But wait, there's more. You can even create videos from already made articles. All you gotta do is grab the URL of the article you want, paste it back into LumenFive, and let the AI work its magic. The coolest part is that it pulls the whole article for you, complete with all the images. You can even have the AI summarize the video for you, or you can use the whole article. If it's too long, no worries. You can copy and paste it to ChatGPT and ask for a detailed summary. Just make sure you let them know that no context can be lost. You feel me? Once you're all set, you can just sit back and relax while the AI does all the heavy lifting for you. And don't worry, if there are parts you don't like, you can always edit them and add your own stock footage. And when you're ready, just hit that publish button and voila! You can download your whole video to your PC. But wait, there's one more thing you gotta do. You wanna know how to add realistic voice to your text? Well then, you better click that subscribe button, because we've got all the tips and tricks to make sure your videos sound totally amazing and not like some lame-o robot. Mwah!